of St. Anne's High School of Class 10B are here to demonstrate the Activity 7 of Chapter 7. As you can see on the board, the name of the activity is Action of Saliva on Floor. Do you think saliva is necessary in the to digest our food?
Yes.
Yes. Now we are going to show the demonstration of how the saliva is acting on the floor. For this experiment, we are using two test tubes, one watch glass, dilute iodine tincture, floor, and two beakers. So let's start the activity. First, take a test tube and fill it with water. Now add a pinch of flour in it. Mix it well until the flour is completely dissolved in the water. Now, let us take few drops of this mixture into watch glass and test the presence of starch. I think you remember the activity which we have done in chapter 1 to test the presence of starch. This bluish black color shows the presence of starch. Now divide this mixture into two equal halves. Make sure that both the test tubes are filled with equal amount of water. Both the test tubes have equal amount of mixture. Add 1 spoonful of saliva into one test tube. Now mark this test tube with a marker. Now, this is the test tube which we added saliva. This is the test tube in which we didn't add anything. Now, let us leave both the test tubes for 45 minutes and let us observe the presence of starch and let us observe the difference in both the test tube. Welcome back to our activity. Now, after 45 minutes, we are going to observe both the test tubes. Do you remember? This is the test tube where we added saliva. This is a normal test tube where nothing is added. Now, we'll add few drops of dilute tincture iodine in both the test tubes. Now, this you can observe, this is more bluish black color, but this is in less bluish black color. because in this test tube we added saliva so that the enzymes present in the saliva, that is enzyme amylase, break down the starch molecules into smaller sugars, but in this test tube the process didn't take place, so the starch is still present in this. So we can conclude that saliva is necessary to break down the starch molecules into simple complex. Do you think the same process happens in our mouth when we intake food?
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. The same process occurs when we intake food. Now, let us see how we are going to eat the food and what is happening in our mouth.
Under the action of autonomous nervous system, saliva is secreted by three pairs of salivary glands to moisten the food to make chewing and swallowing easier. As a result of chewing, food forms into a slurry mass called bolus. That is transported into the esophagus by the action of swallowing with the help of the tongue.
So, by this experiment, we can conclude that the enzymes which are released from saliva is necessary to break down the starch molecules into simple complex. Thank you.